I got $5 grand more than what I paid for. Long drive ahead of me. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. As you guys saw by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to pick up a new truck today. It's a truck that I've wanted for a long time, especially in this combination that it is. Especially with the market the way it is right now, it's super hard to find trucks. I mean, even just get a good deal on a truck these days, it's insane. I end up going to like multiple dealerships, and they end up, once you get there, try to mark them up, or they'd sell them off from underneath you. It was just a really terrible experience trying to buy a truck during COVID. But luckily, we sold our car, and we ended up getting, I got $5 grand more than what I paid for, and I put 40,000 miles on it. So that was like the main reason. I ended up getting an email. The whole thing that sparked it was I got an email from Toyota, and they're like, we'll give you this for your vehicle. And I was like, okay. So I started looking around, and we were originally going to get a RAV4 hybrid. So I drive it from home to work. It's about 140 miles round trip a day I drive. So we were going to get a hybrid because the Corolla that we had got 50 miles a gallon, which is insane. But we were going to get a hybrid, but I ended up looking at trucks instead, and you guys will see the truck that I ended up getting, which I'm super excited about. This build is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm really excited for it to start it off. Wheels, tires, already looking at them right now as we speak, and going to change up the lift as well. But anyways, the whole thing that started was an email, because the market right now, it's so crazy that used cars are worth more than new cars, which is so weird to me, because we were looking, like I said, when we were looking at the RAV4s, they were cheaper than buying a used RAV4, which is, it's just insane. So I thought I mentioned later on this video, because I forgot to do an intro. If you guys want to see a video, if you guys want me to make a video on my whole experience buying the truck and everything, and kind of break down numbers and all that stuff, let me know in the comments down below, because I'll make one of those for sure. In next video, we're going to be doing, either I'm going to work on the headliner, or there'll be some 5th gen content, because we're going to be lifting Caden's truck, which I'm super excited for. You guys will probably really enjoy that video as well. Might be a 2-part video, because it's going to be a long day for sure. But anyways, enough talking. I'm super excited for this build. This truck may not be much to a lot of people, but to me it's a huge accomplishment, because I've wanted this truck for a very long time. I just couldn't financially afford it with keeping 2nd gen, but right now I was able to do so, which is just crazy how if you work hard enough at something and don't give up and just keep working towards it, you'll eventually get there. And I can't wait till I get another truck and be able to keep both these trucks. Eventually I want to have 1st through 5th or 6th, whatever we're at that point. I'd love to own every single gen of Dodges. But enough talking, let's get into today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. As you can tell, I'm really excited, but let's get to the truck content. So I wasn't originally going to film, but I'm sitting here in traffic, good old freaking Washington to Oregon traffic and vice versa. It's terrible, but I just stopped and got the last fill up, 515 miles on a dang tank, which is nice. This car gets 50 miles a gallon, but lately I haven't been driving it the way it's supposed to, but got this car with 8,000 miles on it. It's now got 42,000 miles, as you can see. I drive a lot. Got it in February. It's now November, so not even a year, and already put 34,000 miles on it. But stupid rain, stupid traffic. Got a lot of long drive ahead of me. I've already got about 50 miles down, but I still got 5 hours left. But we're going to pick up a new vehicle, and this is the last drive in the Corolla, which you guys don't know about. If you guys, well, I might throw in the clip in here of us trading Big Mac in for the Corolla. We got it for fuel mileage, because I drive 140 miles a day, and this thing gets 50 miles a gallon. But that's why we got it, is because gas prices were rising, and it only costs us 28 bucks to fill this thing up, and I get 500 plus miles a gallon, so you can't beat that. But we're gonna get something a little more my style and a little more room, because this thing just does not have enough room with the baby. That's the problem we ran into. We got it for the mileage, but it's just not enough room for us, especially with octane. His head hits the roof. But I want to focus on driving here, especially with it being rainy. About to get out of this traffic here because we're about to cross over the bridge. If you know, you know. The traffic's terrible, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna pick the camera up or not. I might do it after we get the vehicle. I don't know, because I'm gonna be there at 7, that's when they close. But talking fast, there's a lot going on. I'm excited, also kind of sad, but we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, we just got here. I'm gonna run inside, take care of the paperwork, because they closed an hour and a half ago. All right, guys, so it's now been a couple days. I didn't end up filming much when I got to the dealership because they had closed already, like I said. They ended up staying later, like an hour and a half past closing time for me, which is really awesome. I really appreciate them. If you guys need a vehicle and you're in the area, Klamath Falls, which I know probably a lot of you aren't, Lithia, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram out there. Really awesome people, no pressure, just straight to the point. They didn't try to jack the prices up on that, which I might make a video on my whole experience trying to buy a truck in this whole COVID time right now, because it's been really crazy. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a video about that. But anyways, I've had the truck for, let's see, 3 days now. I've already filled up, no, three or 4 days now. I've already filled up 3 times. That's been an interesting experience. Diesel's not cheap right now. But, well, I guess you guys know it's a diesel. I mean, obviously it's a diesel, but without further ado, let's show you guys the truck. And then I'll kind of go over what I'm going to change on it, kind of what my plans are, but I'm not going to give away too much. I might go make a video about everything that's wrong with the truck, and then everything I'm going to change on it, and make a separate video about that. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a video on that as well. Uploading has been a pain in the butt lately because life's been crazy, and I've also been trying to find a new truck. But enough talking, let's show you guys the reveal. All right, so here it is, a 2014 Dodge Ram 3500 6-speed manual. Super hard to find. I found one other manual on my hunt, and it got sold before I could go look at it. But I'm super excited to get this build started. I'm already looking at new wheels and tires right now because these wheels and tires look way too small, and that front crimson chin bumper needs to go. It looks like a cleft chin. Not a good look. I've already been looking at a couple different front bumpers as well. I've been very actively looking at stuff for this truck already. So a build's gonna come, it's gonna come fast, but it's also my new daily too, and it's also the new family vehicle. Shout out to my wife for being so awesome and letting us pick us out for a new family vehicle, because we were gonna go with like a RAV4 because it would be enough space, but this is a little bit better because now we can also tow with it too, which will be fun. But new wheels and tires coming for it. Front bumper's gonna be changed out. Gonna do headlights, taillights. Got to repowder coat the headache rack, and then also that exhaust tip needs to go because it looks absolutely ridiculous. I don't know why it's on there, but I don't know if it's like a 10 or a 12-inch tip, but yeah, that's got to go because that just looks absolutely ridiculous and horrible if this lighting would work correctly. All right, so as you guys can see, this tip is absolutely ridiculous. Sorry, my lighting was messing with me. It also sucks because it gets dark so early these days, but it's either a 10 or a 12-inch tip, but I'm gonna end up undoing the clamp there and taking that off because that looks absolutely ridiculous. And then, like I said, I need to get the headache rack powder coated because it's all peeling off. I don't know if the guy used spray paint or glassy dip or what, but you can see how it's all coming off there. But it's a Protect, so I'll probably keep it, but I kind of want to get like a lower profile one and make some with like lights in the back, but not really on the list of things to do right now, but definitely something that needs to be done. And then also those steps got to go too, because we got to get rid of those, put some amp steps on it, but we have to keep steps on it because the wife needs steps to get into the truck. Right now I think it's sitting on a 6-inch lift, that's why the 35s look small. Either gonna go with another 6-inch lift or possibly a 7, I don't know yet, maybe 6.5, something like that. But quick short video for today. Running out of daylight here. It's about to be dark in the next 25-30 minutes, but I want to get a video out for you guys of the new build. I'm super excited for it. Like I said, I am going to be ordering some new stuff for it here, so be expecting that in the next couple of videos. Going to be working on the headliner in the next couple of videos as well, getting back on that. And then also we're going to be doing a lift on a 5th gen. My buddy Caden, we tried to mount his 37s on his 26s the other night. We got the tires on, but we couldn't get the beta set, so he ended up taking to a tire shop, and then he put them on his truck, but they rubbed, so he ordered a new lift. And then once that gets here in about 2 weeks, we're gonna get that on the truck, and I'll get some footage of that and everything. So probably 2 to 3 weeks from now, you guys should be seeing a lift on a 5th gen coming, and then also he's gonna put wheels and tires on that. I think he has some other stuff planned for it too, but either way, lots of good content coming for you guys on the 2nd gen and now the 4th gen. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see with it, as far as lift, wheels, tires, all that stuff. Definitely open to a lot of opinions. I don't have any 4th gen experience yet, but I've been doing a lot of research, and on a 6-inch lift you can do 35s. Some people run 37s with minor rubbing and some trimming, but the front bumper I shouldn't have to trim at all because it's aftermarket, and there's no valence obviously. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see on this build. Lift, wheels, tires, wrap, any of that kind of stuff. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next upload.